Hello, today we are going to explain you how a differential works. It's the mechanical element that allows the right and left wheels of a vehicle rotate at different speeds. When a vehicle turns a curve, for example to the right wheel travels a shorter path to the left wheel, since the latter is on the outside of the curve. Formerly, the wheels of the vehicles were fixedly mounted on the shaft. This meant that one of the two wheels would not turn well, destabilizing the vehicle. Differential is achieved by each wheel's turn on a curve properly, without losing both fixing on the shaft so that the drive motor acts with the same force on each of the two wheels. The differential gear compresses a range in a U onto the shaft. When both wheels travel the same road, the vehicle going straight. The gear is kept in the neutral situation. However, in a curved side lane moving gears, thereby compensating the different rotational speeds of the wheels. Also, the difference in rotational speed occurs between the two shafts. The steered wheels decrease a circumference greater radius than the non-steered, so the differential is used. A vehicle with four-wheel drive can have up to three differentials. One on the front axle, one on the rear axle, and certain differential. The differential consists of a pinion, front, two satellites, and two planetary, and these are covered by the differential case. The torsion differential is a type of limited slip differential. Works by combining three pairs of worn wheels meshing through spur gears located at the ends. Retention or increase of friction occurs because the helical wheels act as a work mechanism. The contact point between the teeth moves on a straight tooth along the line itself, which means binding of movement of rotation of the wheels with the sliding movement of which is friction. Turning or degree of resistance is determined precisely by the helix angle of these work wheels. The differential type Ferguson. In each such differential axle shaft is attached to a special set of these interspersed sheets within a sealed enclosure containing a high viscosity fluid, usually silicone. When no difference in rotation between the axle shaft, the fluid becomes more viscous and tends to make the two sets of these, matching their speeds and can transmit up to 100% of the power to the axle with more grip. The Haldex clutch is a mechanism manufactured by the Swedish company Haldex, which serves to prevent loss of traction to the wheels under acceleration and braking, among others. Most traction system Haldex are configured with the 90% strength in the front and 10% at the rear axle. The operating principle of the Haldex be the same as the viscous differential Ferguson plus torsion differential, which in this event replaces the electronic. Therefore, we can say that Haldex clutch, but if the characteristic of a differential in case of loss of adhesion of non-driving axle, it pays both. It's a differential between front and rear axle. Now, we hope you have learned more about your car. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the driving.